Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nara Indriani. I am majoring in Family Warfare Education. In this video, I will discuss traditional crafts. The traditional crafts are crafts that are made manually and have traditional cultural values. Modern crafts are crafts that are made with sophisticated tools and have international cultural values. The definition of craft is goods that are produced through hand skills. Craft product work that are concerned with the value of beauty as decoration or use. Traditional textile crafts are crafts made manually without the aid of machines of using human hands. Because it is handmade, traditional textile crafts also have a high artistic value. Example of traditional textile craft. Number 1, batik tulis. Number 2, weaving craft. Number 3, marker craft. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.